video today. So today I have something special. Maybe you see it. It's a poopsie slime. See, it looks like a square bottle. And I have some of these, but I forgot what's in there. So we will see what's in there. My sister excited. I'm excited. My elf so excited. Oh, it shows that he's surprised, but I don't think it's real. So let's open it. Let's see what's inside these bottles. What are those? It sparkles. See? My hand is shining. So much sparkles. Let's open it. Wow! It looks like a Christmas present. Look inside. It has been opened. Let's just open it further. Wow! Let's open it. Let's open the surprise. Ouch. It's an outfit. Let's open this. What's this? Let's see what's inside. Oh my god, that popped out on me. I just put this out. Here's all the collection for the dolls, poopsie dolls. And now that if we turn it around, you can see all the poopsie dolls. There's only one more like my last video. Let me just open it. Okay, let's open it. What does this say? This is some. What does this say? I don't know. I think these are powders. This is glitter and this is powder. I think so. Can't remember. It's the doll! Let me just open it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Let me see. Do you want her dress? Do you want her things on? I'm just gonna dress her because my sister doesn't know how to do that. Look how she's beautiful and look at her pants and shirt, and she has like my eyelashes, and she has it feels real. And then we have, give me it. Then we have shot. It looks like a bottle and it has some water in it, as you can see. Now I'm gonna give her some water. Oh my gosh, she spit it on me because she has. Now let's put the pacifier in her mouth and then let's shake it. Oh, I can hear it. Fire out. And then put it in the tray. Oh my god, that's yucky. What is that? That doesn't look like slime. Are you done spitting out your slime? That doesn't look like slime. Now the slime is done. We're gonna put this first on. Now squeeze all that in. Look, magic's happening. Look, it's more sparkly. Now let's add the next one in, okay guys? That is so much glitter. Guys, this is too easy. You need to try one as well. So easy. I love this video. Give me a huge thumbs up and leave me some comments in my Instagram, okay, guys? And bye! So stretch! Ah, that's itchy as well.